Okay, hello guys. Okay, hello guys. Oh. Okay, hello guys. This is our event. This is our final event of Okay, practice lang sa daw guys ha. Practice lang sa. Okay. Okay, hello guys. This is our final event of Beauty Pageant Quezon Tagbina Surigao del Sur. This is our participant. Miss Candidate number 1, Cinderella Calzado. Titiw. Oh, grabe oh. Oh, grabe. Oh, titiw. Balik. Okay. Our contestant number 2. Number 2. Okay, please. Balik sa dito, balik. Okay, our next contestant number 3. Pasok, Quezon, Miss Josephine Lugagay. Kuyaway kayo. Titiw. Kuya. Contestant number 3. Okay, our Miss Universe, contestant number 3. Okay, what can you say about your talent?
Oh, yes, okay.
Okay. Our next contestant is contestant participant number 4, Miss Heidi Calzado. Okay. Our next contestant is Rachel. Our 5th contestant number 4, Miss Heidi Calzado. Okay. Our next contestant is contestant number 5, Miss Rachel Calzado. Okay, this is our final event. Our next contestant, last contestant, our participant from Minso, Surigao del Sur, Miss Lidimi Calzado. Okay, tanongin natin ang contestant number 5 sa kanyang beauty pageant participant. What can you say about your love life now?
Stable.
Stable, but still available?
No.
Not available. Sige, okay. Our last contestant, now beauty pageant participant, Miss Cinderella Calzado. Laina ng bayan. Okay, atong question nun. O sa may ikastorya nimo sa imong kaugalingon nga wala namang kay bana karon.
Dito salamat sa Ginoo. ako, kagitagaan kong taas nga kinabuhi.
Thank you. Okay, this is the last message of our 10 participants. Thank you.